What's up, you two? You T-bone, bitch. Oh, I missed.
What's up, motherfuckers? Get me! We're back.
Oh, what fresh hell is this?
I could not get that up fast enough. Bum, 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 bum. Woo, woo. Dun, 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 dun. The assortment of sound effect.
You're a bitch.
I know. It's such a bad sound effect, though. Dunk. Like, it doesn't really fit in anything. Just like...
It's like a door slamming.
It says thud, though. That's the weird part. Iceberg City. What the hell? Wait. Oh, okay, you're gonna shoot something. What the hell?
Surprise, motherfucker!
What? I know. Wait. Shit. I was gonna...
I had to.
Can you do that again?
Surprise, motherfucker!
You need the splat.
Oh. Do I?
Yeah.
Crap. Pause. Pause so I can get this flat. Alright, I got it. You're good. Yeah. Alright, that did not go well. What are you doing?
Surprise, motherfucker!
Do it like just before I
That's what I was trying to do. Damn it. You could not do better.
Surprise, motherfucker!
Every time.
Hey, he's activates the Skyfall. Surprise, motherfucker.
Actually, the second time I did it was because your controller disconnected as you hit Skyfall. Are you just like coasting along?
I'm not even holding the phone.
Of course you're not. Too busy on that cell phone. Texting your boyfriend.
Girlfriend, asshole, thank you.
Boyfriend.
I'm not gay, thank you.
I beg to differ.
What? I want to go swimming.
Close enough.
And I'll submit, use that all the time.
Do they really?
Yeah.
Yeah, they do. I wonder if this is where they got it from.
Might have. Shit.
Timing so bad.
Hacks!
Huh?
What the hell did he say?
Hacks!
Yeah. I want my hacks, bitch.
How to travel across San Andreas. Skyfall, repeatedly.
I need 14.
Why do you need Fort Zancudo?
What if I do?
You are nowhere near. Because it's that way.
I'm a flying monkey smoking a cigar.
Well, yeah, you can't fly without a cigar.
A cigar is the only thing that makes me fly.
My magical cigar.
Nice.
That's pretty good. Cheat denied. Already active. Oh.
Gotcha, bitch.
Where the fuck is this goddamn place?
Whoops. Wrong one.
Where do I need to be? Fuck is Fort St. Kudo?
Way over there, I want to say?
How the
No.
fuck?
No.
Yeah,
No.
this is right here.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
this is the big loop that goes around it.
Huh. Yeah, I guess it was all the way over there, huh?
Shit.
Ooh, so close.
So close.
Touch the tip there.
Nope, that's touching the tip.
Oh, baby, it's triple.
I don't know why that came up, but yeah, I like that one neater.
I see Fort St. Kudo.
Do you?
Right over the mountain. It's right in front of me.
No, sure the fuck is. I see it.
Fighter jets. Let's find a rock.
And smack into it.
Let's find a tank.
Actually, I'm not gonna do the splat effect for this one. Dropping in on Fort St. Kudo. And
Surprise, motherfucker.
They don't know I'm here. Never mind.
how do you not see a dude come flying out of the sky into your fort? What are you doing? Besides getting shot.
Attempting to steal a C-130. Fucking tank shoots up.
Gotcha, bitch.
Come on. Go. Yo, you fat fucking lard.
Come on, Lord Ash.
Let's go, you lanky dumbass. Don't you get in my way, bitch.
Lanky dumbass.
I got it.
I just pulled up. Shut the fuck up.
Gotcha, bitch.
My engines are dead. Let's see if I can land back over there.
You can't.
Nope, I'm dead. I'm dead in the water. You're gay.
Yeah. I'm gay. Okay. Oh, wait.
Oh, shit.
That was bad. Yeah.
Oh, shit! What else?
Gotcha, bitch.
Gotcha, bitch.
What? What the fuck?
Sam.
What is this?
That was literally animals.
That's racist!
But that's racist, kid.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Well, should have put that in there.
Headshot.
You are fine in restricted airspace. Turn around immediately. This is a no-fly zone. Convert your course.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Could have been a little better timed.
You guys will have faster on. Yo, really? What the fuck are you shooting missiles at? Not like tank rockets, actual like missiles.
You motherfucking cocksucker.
You can't kill me.
I eat hair.
This is Sparta!
Just good.
Ta-da!
I'm not having a huge fight, I swear.
You're not. You're not winning either.
So,
I was being sarcastic.
well, I stole your friends. What's up, bitch?
Ta-da!
Fuck you.
Really? I would have taken that as a compliment. Ta-da.
Stay away from my jet, bitch.
Ta-da!
Seriously, what the fuck are you shooting missiles at me?
I'm another fighter jet.
Nigga, how the fuck did you get up there?
Right? How did I get up here? Ta-da! I'll use that for when you decide to do your moon walk, or moon gravity crap. Hey, look at the. Hey, you see this giant skyscraper? Yep. Whoop! Ta-da! Yes. You won't do it again.
Ta-da! Ta-da!
Oh, God.
Ta-da!
Oh! Whoops. That was a little premature then. How are you, my friend?
My shots make big boom.
Yeah. Bang, bang, bang.
Hey, faggots. Wanna go fuck yourselves?
Nice story. This barracks.
And it won't fucking start.
Yep,
Really?
it's another fighter jet, because I just saw it take off.
I'm gonna die. Because I'm not gonna be able to get the fuck out of here. Come on.
They shot the hood off.
Wow, I might make it out of here. Huh?
Cheat. I said try, because...
Fuck, I can't. I have to hit Y for it.
Oh. Shit.
Ta-da!
Fuck you.
It's It's all in good fun. Come on.
And go fuck yourself.
Here, look. Now you can fuck with me.
Yay!
Oh, you want? You can't see, can you? I only have up the police siren. Ta-da! Surprise! What do you want? You want the fucking... That's a cartoon flat. What do you want?
I want the...
Do you want gotcha, bitch? Hang on.
I want the gotcha bitch, the fuck you.
Alright, I'll get you those.
Keep the surprise.
Alright, video.
And keep the surprise and the ta-ta, because those are fun.
Alright, you want me to get rid of the other ones? Police siren can go, Splat can go. Because we're probably not going to use those. Sad trombone. Yeah, that's probably what it is. God damn it. That's racist. Oh, alright, there's.
That's racist!
My dick fell.
Yeah. My dick fell off.
Maybe why can't I not find it?
Just ta-da.
Ta-da.
God damn it, Peter. Oh.
Ta-da!
Fuck you.
Yeah, I'm trying to find gotcha. There it is.
Ta-da!
Alright, so you got ta-da, gotcha bitch, fuck you, and surprise, motherfucker.
In that exact order?
Yeah. Move, cause I can't.
Gotcha, bitch.
Ta-da.
Fuck you.
Pretty much.
Hey, look, it's that SUV.
Surprise, motherfucker!
Oh, what in the hell is this?
Oh, what fresh hell is this?
I want that
Really?
too. Yeah.
That's kinda, alright. Can you see?
Yeah.
Open new tab. Go into the address bar. No, the top one. And, right click. Paste.
Wrong hour. Al what?
There we
That's
go.
fucked up.
What, did I did that? Yeah.
Surprise, motherfucker!
Oh, there's... I gotta go to the other side.
Ta-da!
I gotta go to the, pantry.
Ta-da!
Oh, I gotta go to fucking ammunition, too. I'm on a sticky one. Where were you going that you have a marker up?
The dude.
Alright, well, I'm taking it off for the minute, because I have it as a fucking... I have a marker for it.
Yeah, you have a PO2.
A what?
A POI.
Point of interest, yeah, that's it.
Hey, there's an empire.
Gotcha, bitch.
Or emperor.
Cactus.
Hey, Jake.
Hmm?
Watch this.
Okay.
The pole's in the way.
Is it?
Here for the magic touch?
Ta-da!
This shit, it might stop a missile.
I'm gonna make it grow.
Hey, Axe.
Yes?
Fuck you.
Hey, eggs. Okay. I deserve that.
Hey,
Fuck you.
Yeah.
Fuck you.
I'm gonna make it chrome. Ta-da. I'm not gonna actually make it chrome.
Gotcha, bitch.
I'm gonna make it,
hot pink.
hold, alright, hot pink. Can I make it hot pink?
You need classic.
God damn it. Classic. Make it filter brown.
You went the wrong way.
Did I? What the fuck is gasoline green? I've never seen green gasoline. What if I make it salmon pink?
Okay.
Is that okay too?
Mm-hmm.
The second shittiest car I have ever made. If you want to know what the shittiest car is, well, you can find it. Trust me. It's yeah, it's my chrome van. You don't remember my chrome van? Yeah, guys. Actually, I think the video in the title of it says something about the van being chrome too. So, yeah, just look for the thumbnail of the really shitty looking van. Trust me, it's a good time. Except that, you know, I made the van chrome, and despite the fact that I made the van chrome, I actually made myself kind of sick.
Gotcha, bitch.
Not sure that's fitting.
Fresh hell is this? Or, ta-da!
Fitting.
I forgot we were recording.
Did you really?
Yes.
Ta-da! I already jumped off the ledge. Ta-da! Oh, right, I can't jump while in ammunition. I need to restock them.
Let me know if you need any help.
I need to restock on these. I will smoke this joint. I will smoke this joint. Why did you say? I'll smoke this joint. Wow. There's a lot of shit in here Trevor doesn't have. Why are we listening to Jumper?
This is a good song.
Not really.
This one's great for self-defense.
Maybe in the 90s. Alright. Trevor is now stocked up on weapons and ammo.
What I'm gonna do?
What?
Download song.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
I have the mouse pad, so. Hey, Ace. See that biker?
Yeah.
Ta-da!
I ran him over. And, over here. Since Ace is a little too busy at the moment.
Gotcha, bitch.
Gotcha, bitch. Alright, Ace is back.
Where the fuck is the wrench at?
On the replay button.
Tax dollars hard at work.
Oh, it's right in front of you.
Gotcha, bitch.
Surprise, motherfucker!
Ta-da.
Oh, what fresh hell is this?
Yeah, really.
Oh, oh, what?
Oh god. Ah!
Surprise, motherfucker!
I'll say. I may look like a salmon that
Fuck
doesn't.
you.
I may look like a salmon that doesn't mean I want to go back in the ocean. I have plenty of places to go, thank you.
Ta-da!
What's that from? Like, what? I don't remember what Peter was doing when he does that.
I don't know.
Surprise, motherfucker! Surprise, motherfucker!
Get over to it, finish this.
Alright.
Surprise, motherfucker!
Yeah. truck.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Really?
Ta-da!
Just
Oh, fresh hell is this? So we're just doing that then?
what? Yeah. Pretty much.
Ta-da!
Huh? I know. We got another 10 before we'll go out.
Oh shit, look. The exact same SUV.
Hey, Ace, quit
Sweet.
breaking kayfabe.
Hey.
I know, it doesn't matter. It's already been
Fuck
done.
you.
It's already been done.
Fuck you.
Hey, Ace.
What, Axe?
Fuck you!
You little bitch.
Oh, what fresh hell is this?
You want some cocaine? You want cocaine? I want some fucking cocaine!
Ta-da!
You want some cocaine? Ta-da!
I'm touching myself tonight.
Oh shit, that was good.
I'm touching myself tonight.
Gotcha, bitch!
Surprise, motherfucker.
Just.
I'm touching myself tonight.
I'm
God
glad-
damn it, Deadpool!
That pause was just perf. Finally, we string up some.
Finally, we string up some what?
sound effects that actually go together. That's what I was gonna say, but I couldn't resist.
Shut up. Shut the fuck up.
Gotcha, bitch! Gotcha, bitch!
Shit. Cops.
Gotcha, bitch!
Oh, fuck. Oh, man, I lost my boat.
Ta-da!
Yes, there's that random truck in the background blew up. Oh, look, we moved.
Gotcha, bitch!
Fuck you!
Nice. Ah, you motherfucker.
Let's see if he does it again.
Ah, I can change colors. You shut the fuck up.
No. You want me to stop doing the part?
No, stop doing it constantly.
Okay. I'll just take it off because I'm gonna find so many reasons to do it.
Ta-da!
What brings you in today?
Fuck you!
I looked over and I read it and I'm just like, oh god.
I should have done the fart one here.
You should have. Get it ready, get it up.
Okay, I got it. Oh. What brings you in today?
I can't even do it.
Oh god.
Now I see why a certain someone told me that they wouldn't watch our videos.
Right. Totally explainable. Hey, look. Wait. It's Chrome.
Ta-da!
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah. If he says it again.
What's wrong with her now? Better than when she came in, that's for sure.
Sorry, that was badly timed, because...
You see how I like fully shift to the fucking side?
Yeah, I do.
It's kind of cool. Me and my Chrome Saddler.
So bad.
What can the best mechanic in LS do for you?
What can the best mechanic in LS do for you?
Shane,
Yo.
get the Roger one ready for when you see this.
Ta-da!
My truck's not pink.
Oh, what fresh hell is this?
I'm still trying to get him to say it.
What?
What he said.
Oh, you want me to... Crap, I took it off. Hang on, don't go in yet.
Look, you can't see my sword. Just kidding. It's all right here.
Okay.
What miracle did you want me to perform? Hey, I got other customers, you know. Here for the magic
Fuck you,
touch?
you asshole.
What magic did you want me to perform today? I want you to fart on my truck.
How would you make it fart power?
What brings you in today?
Ta-da! Oh, what fresh hell is this?
What's wrong with her now?
What's wrong with her now?
There's a monkey driving it. Go away.
No?
What can the best mechanic in LS do for you? Thanks. Come on, don't waste my time.
Fuck you!
What miracle did you want me to perform?
Fuck you!
No storage. You know what that means?
Can't shoot him.
Time to bounce out. For this video. Wait.
Ta-da!
Okay. Stay classy, New Vegas. Ba-da-dun, da-da-dun, da-da-dun, da-da.